Today I'm going to teach you how to turn a 55-gallon drum and some other accessories into a poultry feed storage bin that's going to keep your food safe, dry, and easily accessible. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Malama Agro YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on this poultry feed storage bin. We're going to be using a 55-gallon drum, a bucket, 3-inch waste valve for an RB, some 1-inch square steel tube, and some 1/2-inch plywood. It's a pretty easy build, shouldn't take us too long, and it's gonna work really good for us. Okay, I got this 55-gallon drum off of Facebook Marketplace. It was pretty cheap, but it's made out of high quality, thick plastic. It also has this screw type lid that I really like. It makes it very easy to refill. I made sure to ask the seller if it was used for a food product beforehand. He said it was, so I went ahead and bought it. It does have a vinegary smell to it, kind of like pickle juice. So I'm gonna have to clean it up first. That's gonna be our first step, and then we can get started with the build. I'm just gonna use some dish soap, so it's food safe, and I know it's gonna get the smell out of it and anything else that it might have in there. Okay, I decided it would be easier to explain this step once it was assembled. So basically we want this waste valve to sit flush against the bottom of the barrel, but the barrel has a little indentation here. So what I did is I created this flange. You can make this flange out of plywood. You can make it out of, like I did here, is food grade HDPE, whatever works best for you. To measure the thickness of the flange, what I did is I just put a board right here, and then I measured from the bottom of the board to the bottom of this part of the barrel, this 1/2 inch right here. So that's what I cut it out of. I'm gonna use my CNC router to cut out this flange, but this could easily be done by hand with a couple of drill bits and some simple layout. I'm gonna use the flange we just cut out in the CNC router as a template to mark the holes in the bottom of the barrel. It has 4 1/4-inch holes in the corners for screws, and it has a large 3-inch diameter hole in the middle where the feed is gonna come out of. Now I rammed 4 screws from the inside of the barrel towards the outside. These are 1/4 20 by 2 inches, and they have a very large washer on them. Now I can install the flange, and after that is installed, I can install the 3-inch waste valve from Valterra. I'm gonna link it in the description in case you want to buy the same model. Now we can start working on the base. I'm gonna start with the plywood top. It's made out of 3/4-inch plywood, and it's got measurements 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters with an opening that's 20 by 30 in the middle. Now I'm gonna start cutting the pieces for the metal frame. This is all 1-inch square tubing, and the legs are gonna be made out of 1-inch angle iron. Quick tip right here, I'm cutting a 45 with a blade that's almost gone. As you can see, the cut doesn't go all the way, so what I did is I put another piece of 1-inch square tube on the back, and then the blade can actually go all the way through the material. I'm gonna use the wood top as a jig to quickly tack all the pieces into place. Then I'm gonna take it off the wood top and I'm gonna finish welding. The legs are 45 centimeters tall, just enough to clear a 5-gallon bucket. Gonna give it a quick coat of rust-proof primer and paint. Gonna mark, drill and countersink the holes for the screws. I'm just gonna use 5 small screws as we don't need a lot of holding power here. Once the paint is dry, we just install the plywood top. So this is gonna be super easy to operate. We just put the bucket underneath. We pull on the waste valve, feed starts coming out. Whenever we're to the desired level, we close the waste valve and we pull out our bucket. This is gonna be super safe. It's gonna keep it away from the floor, away from rodents. It's gonna keep it dry, and also it's gonna keep it away from the sunlight so that the poultry feed doesn't lose its vitamins and minerals. It's very, very beneficial to keep your feed in a cool, dark place as long as possible before it goes out to the field. So this is gonna work great for us. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here. I hope this video inspires you to build your own. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the Malama Agro YouTube channel for more builds like this coming up next.